The top 7 anti-inflammatory breakfasts for seniors after 60. Have you ever woken up in the morning feeling stiff, aching in your joints, or moving slower than you used to just from getting out of bed? Many seniors think it's simply age, but the surprising truth is that your breakfast may be fueling your inflammation. After 60, the body becomes more sensitive to certain foods, especially the typical breakfast choices like sugary cereals, white bread, processed spreads, and even the wrong type of oatmeal. These foods can trigger joint pain, swelling, brain fog, fatigue, high blood pressure, and rising blood sugar without you realizing the connection. Has this ever happened to you? You eat breakfast but feel tired instead of energized. Your knees hurt going down the stairs. Your fingers feel stiff trying to grab a cup. Or you feel bloated and uncomfortable. Let me know in the comments if you felt this way. But here's the hopeful news. With the right anti-inflammatory breakfast, seniors can reduce joint pain, boost energy, support heart health, improve mobility, stabilize blood sugar, and slow aging from the inside. And in today's video, I'm going to show you the top 7 anti-inflammatory breakfasts recommended for seniors over 60. And the best part? They're delicious, easy to prepare, and backed by nutrition science.
Stick around because breakfast number 7 is the most powerful of all, and most people have never tried it. Before we begin, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to Green Health, where we share natural wellness, healthy aging tips, and food-based healing for seniors. Ready? Let's start healing inflammation one breakfast at a time. The top 7 anti-inflammatory breakfasts for seniors after 60. Breakfast number 1, turmeric oatmeal with chia and cinnamon. Many seniors don't realize that plain oatmeal can still spike blood sugar, leading to inflammation. But when you combine it with turmeric, chia seeds, and cinnamon, it transforms into a powerful anti-inflammatory meal. Why it works? Curcumin in turmeric reduces joint pain, chia seeds provide omega-3s for mobility, cinnamon stabilizes blood sugar, keeps you full longer. How to prepare? Cook whole oats, stir in half a teaspoon turmeric, add 1 tablespoon chia, sprinkle cinnamon. Mistake to avoid? Adding sugar or sweetened milk that cancels the benefits. Stick around, breakfast number 7 works even faster than turmeric. Breakfast number 2, avocado and whole grain toast. Has this ever happened to you? Shaky legs, slow walking, or tiredness after breakfast? That's often due to inflammation caused by refined grains. Why it works? Healthy fats reduce joint swelling. Fiber supports digestion, helps heart and brain health, boosts energy for the day. Best grains? Rye, buckwheat, sprouted whole wheat. Mistake to avoid? White bread causes inflammation flare-ups. Breakfast number 3, Greek yogurt with berries and walnuts. Many seniors skip protein in the morning, leading to muscle loss, knee weakness, and fatigue. Why it works? Probiotics reduce gut inflammation. Berries fight oxidative stress. Walnuts provide omega-3s, supports brain clarity. How to prepare? Choose plain Greek yogurt, add blueberries or strawberries, add crushed walnuts. Mistake to avoid? Flavored yogurt, full of hidden sugar. Let me know in the comments if breakfast affects your joints. Breakfast number 4, spinach and mushroom omelet. Did you know that inflammation increases when seniors don't get enough magnesium? This breakfast fixes that. Why it works? Spinach reduces swelling in muscles. Mushrooms support immunity. Eggs provide joint-repairing protein.
Add turmeric or herbs for extra benefit. Mistake to avoid: cooking with vegetable oils. They increase inflammation. Use olive oil instead. Breakfast number 5, ginger green smoothie. Some seniors feel bloated, stiff, or foggy in the morning. This is often due to digestive inflammation. Why it works? Ginger reduces inflammatory pathways. Leafy greens alkalize the body. Pineapple aids digestion. Hydrates tissues. How to prepare? Spinach, cucumber, fresh ginger, pineapple, water, or almond milk. Mistake to avoid: adding yogurt, sugar, or juice. Breakfast number 6, sardines on whole grain crackers. This one surprises people, but the omega-3 level is unmatched. Why it works? Reduces joint swelling, supports heart circulation, boosts brain memory, and provides vitamin D for bone strength. Mistake to avoid: fried fish increases inflammation. Breakfast number 7 is the strongest anti-inflammatory breakfast of them all. Breakfast number 7, warm quinoa with olive oil, garlic, and parsley. This is the most powerful anti-inflammatory breakfast for seniors over 60, and hardly anyone eats it. Why it works? Garlic reduces inflammation markers. Olive oil protects arteries. Quinoa is a complete protein for muscles. Parsley detoxifies the body. How to prepare? Cook quinoa, stir in extra virgin olive oil, add minced garlic, add parsley. Mistake to avoid: butter or margarine increases inflammation. So now you know the top 7 anti-inflammatory breakfasts for seniors after 60. And if you start eating even one of these in the morning, you can reduce joint stiffness, improve mobility, boost energy, support heart health, age with strength and comfort. Which breakfast will you try first? Let me know in the comments below. If you found this helpful, like this video, subscribe to Green Health, and turn on notifications so you never miss a new senior health tip. And if you want the video on the top anti-inflammatory drinks, just tell me. Thanks for staying with me to the end. See you there, God's willing, and remember, your best years can still be ahead of you. Green Health cares.